In this video, we examine the Apple App Store as a case study to understand platform governance and value capture. This video is positioned as bonus material because platform strategies are exceptional and difficult to replicate. Unlike Airbnb, which focuses on enabling transactions, the Apple App Store shows how platforms govern ecosystems and systematically capture value. Before the App Store, software distribution was fragmented. Developers faced high distribution costs, limited reach, complex payment and security issues. Apple faced a different challenge: how to expand the value of the iPhone without building every application itself. The solution was not vertical integration, but ecosystem orchestration. The App Store is a multi-sided platform. It connects application developers, end users, and Apple's hardware ecosystem. Apple does not primarily create the content, it creates the rules, standards, and infrastructure that enable others to create value. This is the defining characteristic of platform governance. Apple made a deliberate and controversial strategic choice. Rather than building an open platform, Apple chose tight control. This includes strict app review processes, defined technical standards, centralized payment systems, controlled access to users. This governance model trades openness for quality, security, consistency, and trust. Control is not a flaw, it is the strategy. The App Store illustrates a critical platform distinction. Value creation is not the same as value capture. Developers create most of the applications. Users generate demand. Apple captures value by owning the customer interface, controlling access to the ecosystem, setting transaction rules. The platform owner does not need to create the most value. It needs to govern where value flows. Network effects reinforce Apple's position. More users attract, more developers, more applications, higher ecosystem value, more applications increase, device attractiveness, switching costs, ecosystem dependency. These dynamics create lock-in, which is central to Apple's competitive advantage. This governance model also creates tension. Key risks include regulatory scrutiny, developer dissatisfaction, accusations of rent extraction. Platforms must constantly balance openness and control, innovation and governance, growth and legitimacy. Governance strength can quickly become political risk. Most companies cannot replicate Apple's platform strategy. This model depends on a massive installed user base, strong hardware integration, brand trust, long-term ecosystem investment. Without these conditions, tight control destroys adoption instead of enabling it. This is why platform governance strategies are context-specific, not universal. This case illustrates three key lessons. First, platforms succeed by governing interactions, not owning production. Second, value capture depends on controlling rules and access, not volume. Third, platform power comes with long-term governance responsibility. Strategic advantage lies in designing rules that others accept, even if they disagree. The Apple App Store demonstrates how platform strategies evolve from enabling transactions to governing ecosystems. If you want to explore the underlying concepts, you can revisit the platform strategy bonus video. In the next bonus case study, we will examine Amazon Marketplace, focusing on what happens when the platform also competes on the platform.